Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. Hello guys. Yung bahay namin is, ito talaga yung bahay namin. This is our house. In the middle guys. Wala akong ninakaw. I did not cheating on you. I am the wife of my own husband, Frank Norman. Ito ata yung pangatlo. Inggit na inggit sila for me because of this. Wala na akong magawa for your jealousy at all. Kahit patayin mo pa ako, whatsoever. Because I am the holder of all of this. God is the one responsible of my life. Then the people, gusto lang naman ng mga tao maging masaya. Kung bad elements ka dyan, kung sino ka man dyan, who are you by the way, I don't care. Wala akong ninakaw, wala akong pakialam, I don't care. I'm still alive in here. This is our house in Amidol. We have 3 houses at all. Guys, I am Genevieve Tabili Norman. Sulit na rin itong mga ginawa ko sa buhay ko. Ito talaga yung bahay namin. You believe it or not, I am a wife. Yes. Ano kasi yung weather guys, hindi ko maintindihan. Ito, ganito ba, ganito. Basta na-forma na lang ito ng asawa ko, kasama ako. Basta yung jealousy nila, yung inggit nila, wala akong pakialam dyan. Because as what I told you, I'm done. Kung nagalit sila sa mga pinagsasabi ko, kung ano na lang yung pinagsasabi ko, kayo na lang ang mag-adjust for me. Kasi sinasabi ko kasi I'm done. Guys, I am a wife. I am the interpreter. Dito na lang ako guys. Maraming salamat. Bye.